With me right now si Yanni Lopez, one of the standouts of the DepTac 6 Blades at namamayagpag po sa iba't ibang mga combat sports, and she will get an award po sa C-Club Awards po. Hi Yanni, welcome to Sports Corner.
Hello po, thank you very much.
Does it feel that you will receive the award from C-Club, not knowing that you got many recognitions, and even during the gala night of DepTac, you were one of the trailblazing athletes that you were recognized by Chief Alvin Aguilar there. Ano ang reaction niyo sa pagtanggap niyo ng mga awards niyo po?
It feels really nice po, and I feel very honored to be one of the people to receive these awards. And I'm very, very grateful to everyone.
And this is your second time, no, to receive the award. So parang back-to-back na rin ito. Can we describe muna yung mga tournaments na sinalihan nyo all throughout the year, including the recent one? Ano yung mga napanununan nyo, mga panalo ninyo sa mga international competitions mo?
Recently po, I went to Canada and competed in 3 tournaments. The Great Lakes Jiu-Jitsu Open and the Submission Arts United won series.
And what's your reaction? What's the reaction of Chief Alvin na nakita niyo na siya sa mga tagumpay na nakuha ninyo, and even the other standouts of that, like what goes through your mind na sinabi sa iyo ni Chief Alvin na proud ka sa inyong tagumpay niyo?
I'm very grateful to Chief Alvin, and I'm really happy to make him proud po, and the entire team as well, and our country.
So what's next for you? What's your next competition na nakaline na para sa iyo?
My next competition will be the United World Grappling Tournament in Luchaki.
All right. And what's your message to the young athletes out there po?
My message to the young athletes out there is to always do your best and stay consistent, keep training, listen to your instructors, to your parents, and always do your best.
Alright, Yanni, you want to say a few words muna, yung mga shoutouts niyo po sa mga sumusuporta sa inyo?
First of all, I'd like to thank the Lord for guiding me through everything. And of course, my family, my parents, my coaches, especially Chief Alvin and Prof. Maybelline Masuda, and the entire team and the country.
Alright, thank you so much, Yanni. Congratulations, more power and God bless.
Thank you very much.